Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine at your homes. Now it's time of your English lesson. Let's start our lesson. Our today's topic is reading comprehension. What is our topic? Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension means a paragraph or some lines are given. You have to read it very carefully and then have to answer the questions given below. Here is a paragraph, a funny bug. What is the name of the paragraph? A funny bug. Let's start reading. This bug is funny. He has a hat and a tie. He wears lots of shoes. Yes, he is looking funny na? Okay, read it again. A funny bug. This bug is funny. He has a hat and a tie. He wears lots of shoes. Okay, students. Now the questions are given. You have to read the questions carefully and have to answer. The first question is, what kind of bug is he? The first option is happy, B, funny, and C, silly. The right answer is B, funny. Now the second question is, what does he have? A option is a hat, B, a bug, and C, a friend. And what will be the right answer? Yes, a hat. Now the third question is, what does he have lots of? A, hats, B, ties, and C, shoes. What does he have a lot? Yes, he has a lot of shoes. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, here is an assignment for you. You have to read it carefully and you have to answer the questions given below. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.